Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over the plans and ideas I have for the dinghy that will accompany the Tiki 30 construction. I will be building this dinghy this year and I'm trying to meet a few standards for its construction to help me gain more experience before tackling the Tiki 30 project once I'm done school. I'm also going to be showing a quick update on ideas I'm planning for the Tiki 30 model. So the basic goals I have for this dinghy build are as follows. I want it to be 8 feet long, a pram design because I like the looks. All the plywood on the boat should be CNC cut, and I want to use similar fillet and stitching techniques as the Tiki 30 uses. As well, I would like the boat to be as light as possible before including batteries, motors, sailing equipment, etc. And it should be able to support 4 adults uncomfortably and 2 to 3 comfortably. So the boat will have sailing capability, rowing, and electric propulsion, but probably not going to design the sailing or rowing until after the boat is built. And I'm going to have positive buoyancy placed high up in the bow and on the rear of the boat to resist turtling. So looking at the screen here, this is the basic design I have modeled up for the boat in Fusion 360. As you can see, it's a pram design with a large storage area at the bow and lots of seating. And the skin of the design will be 1/4 inch marine plywood, and the bulkheads, which are located every 2 feet, will be 1/2 inch plywood. In terms of construction, the seams will be filleted and taped over, and the interior and exterior of the hull will be fully glassed over. I'm also going to be installing a tracking fin on the bottom, which will act as a skid plate as well. I have yet to add that to the model. So once I was accomplished with the model, I scaled it down to meet the size of the Tiki 30 model, and I've 3D printed it. Attached are some videos of that process and the 3D model. All the 3D files are available for download at my website in the description. Okay, so this is the 3D print of the dinghy so far. I did have a little mishap where a bottom panel came off while I was printing it, so I printed a filler part, but I think that looks pretty good so far. And I have the seats printed as well. They're a little bit too wide, so they go up quite a bit because they're supposed to be further down around there, but I think they look good. So here's a overview of it. I still need the front plate here, which also has a hole for the mast. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good. Moving forward, I'll need to find a way to extract the CNC files from each plywood panel in the model, and we'll work towards building a Maslow CNC machine to cut these with. The build process may be delayed because of the current situation, but I have no intention of putting this dinghy in the water this year, so I'm in no hurry. Next, I'm going to show a few clips of the current Tiki 30 model. I've been playing around with the cockpit layout. Obviously, none of this is final, but I'm trying to design an efficient way to carry the dinghy while having enough space to walk off the transom of the boat and carry the electric outboards. I'd also like to have a steering wheel, or at least an outside navigation area that could be protected by a fabric bimini. This could provide shade and more solar area, but I'm having a lot of difficulty figuring out how I would reef the sail safely with this kind of cover and sail system. That's about it for now. I hope everyone enjoys and is staying safe. I have some more videos in the works coming up, a collection of sailing clips I have, as well as the building process of an indoor garden I've been working on in the last few weeks. Thank you. Bye.